If somebody doesn't have this five, I'm simply going to reject him. And I'm going to tell him, you are not suitable for this business project. Sorry for that. And I don't want you to feel bad. To succeed in network marketing, you should have a little different mindset. A mindset that understands that you have one of the greatest business opportunities in this planet. And compared to all other traditional businesses and different other business models, this business model has more and more benefits compared to other business models. So firstly, you understanding the difference and what you have got into. You understanding the value of what you have. That is the first thing which is required in order for you to succeed in network marketing. So once you know the value of it, are you going to give it easily to everyone? And if you start giving easily to everyone, you will end up spoiling a lot of relationships, right? Because you are trying to give the business to those who don't want it, those who are not suitable for this business model, right? So that is when you need to qualify the prospect. See whether the person is suitable for this business or not, right? Just think about this, okay? You have a friend who signs up with you, and the friend is not committed, you understand, but spend money, buy a product and sign up, but not committed, not spending any time, right? No desire, fully negative minded, right? And considering a lot of opinions of everyone around him, right? So it is very difficult for him to succeed in this business. He has to change. He definitely has to change if he wants to succeed in network marketing, right? So that is when we understand that this business is not for everyone, but everyone can succeed from network marketing, right? If they have a dream, if they think big, if they are willing to change, if they are coachable, anyone can succeed. But isn't that a fact that you need to understand? What you have is having so much of value. It is working even during an economic crisis, right? So this valuable business, you should only give to those who are suitable, those who have a business mindset. Even they don't have a business mindset, if they are ready to learn and change, right? So when I meet a prospect, I qualify the prospect first. So I need to know a few things. First, I want to know their desire, why they want to do something, right? How badly they need to do something. I really, really want to know this. If they don't have a big desire, we will have to call them. We will have to push them in order to succeed in this business. But if they have a huge desire, they will commit, right? So first, I want to know their desire, whether they want to do something badly or not. Secondly, I want to know whether he is ready to learn and change, whether he is coachable or not, right? Because I understand if the prospect is not ready to learn and change as a person, he cannot succeed. And thirdly, I want to know whether he is ready for any industry or not, right? For that, I will be asking few questions like, so you said you have a desire, right? You said you are also coachable, right? And thirdly, if you have a desire and if you are also coachable, till now, why didn't you find something for yourself till now? Why? Right? I want to know why, right? And then I'll be discussing about that question a little bit in detail. So then I will understand he has no other option. Whatever I offer will be his final option, right? And in the same question, I'll be asking further about, is there any types of businesses which you don't like to do, right? I want to see whether this is suitable for him or not. Only that, right? And fourthly, I want to check whether he has time to spend. Without having time, without he is willing to spend time, there's no point of signing him up with me and waste my time for few years with him, right? And fifth, I want to know, to earn a decent amount of income initially, and over the time, if it is possible for him to grow his income, how much he is willing to spend and start with me, right? I don't use the word invest because it is not an investment scheme, right? So I want to qualify these 5 things before I even show him the plan. If somebody doesn't have these 5, I'm simply going to reject him. And I'm going to tell him, you are not suitable for this business project. Sorry for that. And I don't want you to feel bad. But anyway, and then I will go for a different topic and I will again, harvest some relationships. Only that. Right? So why do I need to qualify? And why do I need to check these factors? Why? Why I didn't show the plan immediately and try to convince him? Why? Because I don't want to convince him. I want to see the person is suitable or not. If he's suitable, then I will get him into my business. Why I need the people who is suitable? Otherwise, I will not be able to do network marketing. Instead of doing network marketing, I will have to do continuously. I will have to do babysitting. I will have to call them, please come to the session, please come for training, right? All these difficulties are happening because they don't have a desire, but they signed up with you, right? So that is the lesson I want to give you in this video, right? So again, I hope this video made you understand that it is better to sign up the suitable people rather than signing up everyone you meet, right? Find out those suitable people by qualifying them, right? Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please press on the subscribe button. See you again with a new video. Love you guys. The V.